Hello and welcome back to the MSPC Bros channel, and today we'll be reviewing the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. We'll be covering some general specs about the processor and we'll give you our opinion at the end. Let's get into it. So since this is a beast of a processor, it boasts an impressive 12 cores and 24 threads. This is a lot of power for the amount of money it costs. It costs about $499.99, but the prices are starting to drop since newer and better processors are coming to take their places. This specific processor is unlocked, which means you can overclock it to an impressive 4.6 GHz of clock speed, rather than the average 3.8 GHz clock speed. This can help a lot in super demanding tasks that require precision and speed in order to be completed. It also comes with its own cooler. It is the Wraith Prism fan cooler / heatsink that is made by AMD. This can help a lot if you don't want to buy a separate cooling system for the processor because it can be more costly and it might not be as effective as you would like it to be. Which brings me to the maximum temperature this processor can run at. It can hold a maximum of 95 degrees Celsius, which is almost hot enough to boil water, and it will still be able to run smoothly. Anything over that will cause damage to the PC, the processor itself, and it might completely ruin your build, which is the last thing anyone wants. That's it for me. Now over to my brother for the rest.
Alright, so since we have most of it covered, you can probably tell how crazy this processor is. It needs 105 watts of power to run, which is no surprise if it's going to be running at those specs. It follows suit with the rest of the Ryzen line of processors by being socketed with the AM4 socket of your motherboard. Its memory speed is 3200 MHz, which is about the average amount I would suggest you use. It runs on DDR4 memory, which is the newest speed of RAM in every computer. Don't forget to answer the poll so we can see what you might want to see in our next video. That's the end of the specs. Now it's time for our opinion on this magnificent processor.
The pros of the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X are that it has incredible performance, as if it isn't already obvious enough. It supports PCIe 4.0x16 slots for those beefy graphics cards you want to install, and it beats Intel, its rival, at the same price, which is impressive. The cons of this processor are that its included heatsink fan might not be enough to keep it cool, which can cause overheating, and it does not have excellent single core performance, which is pretty disappointing. Well, that's it for the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X processor, and we'll see you in a few days in a brand new video. Thanks for watching our video, and we really hope you enjoyed it. Up next, when we hit 100 subscribers, we plan on doing a new type of video that will bring more excitement and enjoyment to this channel. Remember to keep spreading the word, and please subscribe if you haven't yet.